Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to start class 10 first chapter, that is resource and development. First of all, I want to tell you the meaning of resource. Resource, it is the thing that we need for the satisfy the need of the people and which is available in our surroundings, and it can be used through primary, secondary, and tertiary ways. Now the differences, now different type of resources which you can find it out here. They are the biotic resources, abiotic resources, renewable resources, non-renewable resources, then individual, community-owned resources, national resources, as well as international resources. Next one, potential resources, developed resources, stock, as well as a reserve. Now, what happens when we started using resources indiscriminately? They are the depletions of resources for the satisfying the greed of the few individual. Then you can find that accumulation of resources, if we use indiscriminately, what will happen? The society will be divided into two segments. One is a haves and one is not haves not. That is the rich and the poor. Next one is exploitation of resources lead to the global ecological disbalance. Then you can have a global warming, then you can have an ozone layer depletion, you will have an environmental pollution and land degradation. So to cope up with all these problems, so what we need to do is that sustainability. Sustainability is what? Sustainability is to preserve and conserve these resources for our next generation. So for that reason, we have to understand already the planning, the resource planning, which is very important to conserve the resources. So children, if you have any queries, if you have any doubt, we are going to meet for the next session afterwards. Thank you. Stay safe.